open these, so I'm super excited to see what.
Yeah, we're gonna be opening these. Thank you so much to Guava Juice for sending us these.
Thank you.
Okay, you ready?
It says Guava Toys. Now at Red Circle. No, just kidding. Now at Target.
Okay.
Oh my god, is that a Guava Juice window sticker?
I think so.
It's like those Baby Giggler stickers from, what is it called?
So here's popcorn slime.
I probably shouldn't have dumped all this.
Here's snow cone slime.
How come I didn't get a picture of his face? I don't know.
Booger slime.
Hey, Guava Juice, I want a picture of your face too.
Ice cream slime. And cotton candy slime. You got guava stickers.
Oh! Is there anything else?
I don't know, check
I want a
this.
picture of the face.
Maybe it's on the inside. Okay, ready? Let's open our second package.
I got bad breath slime. Ocean breeze slime. Ooh. Coral
This
slime.
one's not coming open.
Seaweed slime and pirate's treasure slime.
Okay.
'Tis the season of slime. I like that. Man, oh my. If I don't get a picture of the face, I'm gonna be mad.
Ooh.
Popcorn slime.
Popsicle slime. Poop slime.
Snow cone slime. 4th of the
July barbecue slime.
Poop slime.
Bug spray slime.
Oh my god, I got a picture of his face!
Beach day slime. That's all. Oh wait, and
No!
I got some stickers.
Ice cream slime.
Oh, got a card. Okay.
Cotton candy slime. Ooh. And I got some. Oh, 'tis the season.
More Guava Juice
slime.
stickers. Okay, so we can split this up. Here, you can have ice cream slime.
I already have that.
Oh, it's okay. I have one too. You can have. Do you have?
No,
Ooh, popsicle slime. Oh, do you have that?
I know.
I'll take two. Oh. What do you have? Do you have bug spray slime?
No.
And I'll take this.
Oh my god!
Do you want beach day slime?
Yeah.
Or do you want the green, the St. Patrick's Day slime?
Beach day.
Oh man.
I
You have
know.
this.
I just saw you. No, I have that.
It's okay. We just divided
Here,
it
I'll
evenly.
trade you. I'll trade you.
I'll give you a beach.
Look, guys. Oh, it's not a sticker? I
It's a
it was
window.
Like...
Hey, Guava Juice.
Oh! What does Guava Juice say? Let's make some slime! Let's play with some slime. It's a guava cake donut.
Okay, let's open our slime.
I'm surprised they didn't make like a cheese ball slime. Okay, so rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to pick the first slime we open.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No! Okay, I pick poop slime.
No! You're so mean! Okay, here it is, guys. I'm super scared to open this one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
It doesn't smell like anything.
Mary,
What?
there's a fly in it. And corn! Dude, chew your corn, your guava juice.
At least it doesn't smell horrible.
Yeah,
Because that would just be so gross. I'm so glad it doesn't smell like poop. Okay.
Bye bye flies. That was a gross one.
Okay.
Why did I pick that?
So let's do beach day slime. The cover, it actually looks like it's not good.
Oh,
Oh
my
my
god.
God.
It smells like coconut.
It smells so good. Oh, look, here's sand.
Oh my god. I could just smell this all day.
Look. Oh, here's a seashell.
You want a seashell?
Yeah. Oh, here's another one.
Oh, here's another one.
Here's another one. 3 seashells. Oh, they're all different.
You have 3?
Yeah.
Oh, here's one.
Oh, here's another one. I'm kidding.
This is my favorite smelling one. It's so good.
I know. Okay, put it back in. Okay, you can pick Izzy. Don't pick a gross one.
Okay, I'm gonna pick. Cotton candy.
Okay, this one does not seem bad. Here it is, guys. Cotton candy slime.
Ooh, that smells good.
It's like, it's cloud slime. It has like a strong scent to it, but it's not a bad
Very
scent.
strong. Eat the slime, Guava Juice.
Ooh, but it's super soft and the texture's so
Amazing.
Cool. Yeah, okay.
Okay. What slime next?
We're going to do popsicle slime. Oh my god.
Oh my god. That's like mixed berries.
I know, it smells so good. Ooh, maybe this one could make a bubble. Grab a corner.
Oh, okay. Wait, should we mix it?
No.
Or it's a big.
Okay, ready? Let's go. Not down yet.
It's too thick.
Down on the third
it's
one.
Too thick.
Down on the third one. To let it go without ripping it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay,
It's
ready?
okay.
4, and up and down. Okay, that didn't work.
Do you want this time?
Okay, come on, Liz. Pick.
Okay, I pick popcorn.
Popcorn. Ooh, foam beads. Look at it, guys.
Whoa, that smells like butter. It's not that.
Old butter. I don't even know what that smells like, but it does not smell
Oh, it does smell like old butter.
good. It does not smell
Blech.
good. This one does not smell good, but it is a really cool slime because it has
It's
foam beads.
crunchy. I just wish I couldn't smell the sand. Mom, smell. Mom, smell it. Smell it.
I always do like lemon.
Guava juice. This one smells bad. You eat the popcorn.
Okay.
No,
Isn't that one bad? I told you to pick good ones, not gross ones.
I didn't know that was gonna be
Okay.
bad.
Okay, so
Why are there so many foam beads on the chart?
I choose.
Wait.
Okay, we're going to do ice cream slime. And I have 2 of those, so I'm just gonna open those. So. Ooh.
I
It's
wonder if
like,
these are real chocolate chips. It's like cloud slime.
yeah, with chocolate chip.
Ooh, that
Ooh,
smells
and it's
like.
really cold.
Oh, smell it. It smells like cookies and cream.
Really?
Yeah. My head is starting to hurt from all these scents.
Look how these. They're like little rocks to
I thought they were chocolate chips.
make them look like chocolate. Whoa.
Ice cream.
It's really watery.
Oh no, he got all over his face.
It's
Got some. I'm slimy.
cloud slime, so it doesn't really make bubbles, but it's like super soft. And it feels so cool. Okay, pick Izzy.
Okay, I'm gonna open Pirate's Treasure.
Okay, so I guess I'm going to open the
Booger slime.
burger slime. Okay,
Making me
you do the honors. Oh my god, it smells like cotton candy.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Let me smell.
Okay, it has no
It
smell.
has no smell. Can you open this?
Wow.
Ooh! Look, guys, it's treasure.
What is that?
Finger crunchy booger.
Okay.
Do you need a tissue? Do I have tissue slime?
Oh, this is gross one. At least it doesn't smell bad. Okay.
Ew, Mary, you touched this booger.
You did too!
I put them on.
Oh my
Look.
God.
This one smells like pepper.
Wait, where's this? Oh my God.
No, my gold. I'm rich. My gold. Okay, you pick Mary.
I choose the snow cone slime. Look at the bottom.
Ooh, this one smells real
Oh my
good.
God. It has like little, what are these?
Gemstones.
No, fishbowl beads, mini fishbowl beads to look like
We should make
ice and
fishbowl
snow
slime.
cones. Look, ice and snow cones. Okay, I think this can make a bubble.
All the gems are falling.
It's fishbowl beads.
Burps.
This should just be fishbowl beads. Then. Oh my God. Okay, wait, I almost made a bubble.
Nope.
Okay. What's that? Okay, pick the next slime, Izzy.
He's eating snow cones.
Look at that. You choose. Choose, Izzy.
Ocean breeze slime.
Okay, so I guess I'll do coral slime.
You took that from me! She took that from me!
Oh my God, but it smells so... Izzy, let go. Guys, look at this. It smells so good.
It smells like that.
No, it does not.
Yes, it does! Look at the shells.
Wow, look at this, guys. This is the best smelling one ever.
Are these real or fake?
Well, the beach one is the best. Or no, the popsicle is the best. Then
Is
this,
this
then
real
the
or
beach.
fake? Let's see.
I don't...
Oh, they're fake. Really fake.
Ooh. I'm choosing this, and you could do the bad breath one, since the other two
What's
we
that?
have are matching. Seaweed slime.
You took that from me too! Comment down below hashtag slime stealer.
Oh my God, this one smells so good.
Wait, let me see.
It smells horrible, guys. Oh, it smells like real seaweed.
This one doesn't really smell bad. Look.
Ah!
It doesn't though. Does it smell like guava juice?
Okay, this one could go back in the container.
Oh my God, Mary!
Oh God, this smells so bad. Dude, okay. Choose yours, Izzy.
You hit him!
Okay, go.
Okay, this one.
No. Bug spray slime.
Oh. It smells like
Bug spray.
no. Yeah, but like. Oh my Lanta!
Ooh, no. There's so many bugs in it, guys. I can't even. Oh, the.
You
no.
We should give that to Junior and Gabe and see the reaction.
This is. I'll just pick this one.
It's a slime face
God,
mask.
this one is my favorite.
He's gonna have a slime face mask.
Okay.
Did you throw your guava juice on the floor?
No, it fell.
How disrespectful.
Oh, you did this on the floor.
When did I throw that on the floor?
When you tried to hit me with it. Okay, the last slime is the 4th of July barbecue slime. Izzy. Continue. Please. Oh my god, it smells like ribs. It smells like barbecue. But a really strong one. Oh, can you pick up my slime, please?
Ew, that smells bad. Okay, here's the 4th of July barbecue. It smells really strong.
Pick up my slime, please.
This is better.
Pick up my slime, please.
Oh my god, it's Gabbles!
Okay, here's my 4th of July barbecue slime. It has confetti, and it has yellow like stones.
It smells like ribeye.
And it's clear, but it smells like barbecue.
What are you doing? You quit jumping.
Marlon, you took this and rubbed it on the side of my face. Okay, so this is all the slimes. Here's your slime bag.
That's not mine. Oh
Yeah.
yes it is.
Are you? It's
I
acting. Come
can't
on.
concentrate with his tongue sticking out of me. He's like this.
Those eyes.
Okay, maybe like this. Thank you so much for the slime guava juice. Thank you so much for the slime guava juice.
You kissed guava juice.
Oh.
Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up
It's
and
the
subscribe.
replay.
And don't forget to comment down below. Guava juice. Say bye. Oh.
Put your hands up, Izzy. Wait, like you just okay.
Oh wait, Izzy, sit down, sit down. We're gonna do a train. Watch, sit down, sit down,
Wait.
sit down. Sit down, guys. Sit down.